Today we are going to discuss about the share capital on pro rata basis. So in pro rata, we know generally when there is oversubscription, whenever it happens, here see the example, company issued 35,000 shares. 35,000 shares is being issued. Against that, we are receiving an application of 60,000. So company issued 35,000, we are receiving 60,000. So it is a case of an oversubscription. And whenever the oversubscription happens, we have to do the pro rata basis. Or the company can reject that excess amount of, that is 35,000 shares and 60,000, means 25,000 shares can be rejected and refunded to the shareholder, or it can be allotted on a pro rata basis. These two can be handled. One can be rejected through bank by returning 25,000 shares to the shareholder, or it can be allotted to the shareholder on a pro rata basis. Basically, pro rata means that the shareholder will not get the full amount of share what he has applied. We will talk about this later. So here 60,000, 35,000. So I have given an example. So it is being issued at a premium of 10%. Application received 60,000. Application value is 6 rupees, including premium 1 rupees. Allotment is 3. First and final call is 2. Now see, we will go for part by part here. So application received is 25,000. But for the first case, the company has allotted 20,000 shares against 25,000 shares of application received. For second case, the company received 25,000 and allotted the remaining balance. Allotted the remaining balance. What does it mean? Always, whenever you will have to do the pro rata, you have to go the structure. Structure is what is saying application number of share. Number of share application received. Number of share allotted. Number of share allotted means here we are talking about the issued share. Company have issued. As much as the company has issued, that much the company can allot. If the company has issued 35,000, the company can allot 35,000 shares. So allotted share is nothing but the issued share of the company. So here allotted number of allotted share is, we have written in the beginning 35,000 the total, and application received as they have told 60,000 as at the beginning of the sum. We will write the total. Allotted means the issued share 35,000, application received is 60,000, we will write at the below. Now first case 25,000 against allotted how much? 20,000. So 25,000 is the application received, allotted is the 20,000 is 25,000. Remain 25,000 again received, allotted remaining balance. If we go for 20,000, remaining out of 20,000, how much is left? Out of 35,000, how much is being left? 15,000. So we have already utilized for the first A case 20,000. My total allotted issued share is how much? 35,000. Out of 35,000, 20,000 is been gone by. So remaining how much is? 15,000. So allotted remaining balance. So remaining balance will be 15,000. 35,000 minus 20,000 is 15,000. That much is being allotted because at the beginning for 25,000, 20,000 share is being allotted. For the remaining basis, application received is 25,000. So 25,000 for remaining basis will be 35,000 minus 20,000, 15,000, and remaining application received. So if I add 25,000 and 25,000, how much it is? 50,000. But how much application I have received? 60,000. So remaining, that is 10,000, is being rejected. And so they are saying remaining, whatever the amount will be. So here beginning for A case application received 25,000, for the B case 25,000. So remaining is 10,000 shares which is being rejected. And also, as the space is less, I have written here overutilization beyond allotment. If it is being overutilized and it cannot be adjusted in allotment, that surplus amount will be rejected. We will talk about this matter as we go on the sums. Now this area we are clear. So why, how we have got these things. Now application money. What is the application money? So application money will be application share. Application share receipt means this one. Application share receipt into value of application. So for the A case, this is the thing. For the B case, this is the thing. After that, we will sum up the thing. So application share is how much? 25,000 for the A case. And what is the value of the application, including face value plus premium? We have to take, while doing application money, this is the formula, this is the application share receipt. Application share receipt for the A category is 25,000. Value of the application is 6,000, 6 rupees including premium. So if you multiply it, 25,000 into 6 is 1,50,000. So this is done. Now share capital का formula, allotted share always taken in the face value. It is always taken, share capital is always taken in face value. And issued share, here issued share or allotted share means the same I have told earlier also. So allotted share is how much I have allotted for the first case, 20,000. So allotted share into face value of the application. Face value of the application is how much? Excluding premium. So face value of the application excluding premium, 5 rupees is the face value plus 1 rupees is the premium. So face value is 5 here. So 5 into 20,000 is 1,50,000. So here for this case we can say it 25,000 into 6. For this case we can say 20,000 into 5. Now what is the premium value will be? Premium column is also created. We are skipping this area, then we will come to allotment. How much is the premium value? Here the premium value is 1 rupee. How much? I have written allotted share. For the premium also allotted share into premium value. Here the premium value is 1 rupees. So 20,000 into 1, we will get 20,000. Now how we have got allotted value? Now see, as it is a prorata, what we have done, see, you have received the application, share application of how much? 1 lakh rupees. Premium how much you have received? 20,000. So, but application received is how much? I have received an application of 1,50,000 for the, I am talking about the case A here. This is the case A. So I have received an application of how much? 1,50,000. But I can convert into the share capital along with premium is 1,20,000. But I have received the application of 1,50,000 and it can be converted up to a value of share of 1,20,000. So I have got the excess of 30,000. That 30,000 will be transferred to allotment, because after application what comes? Allotment. So if I have no space in the application, so I will transfer to the next schedule, that is comes the allotment. So here I have received an application of 1,50,000, but I can convert into share of 1,20,000. So 30,000 is the surplus amount, and that 30,000 surplus amount will be transferred to where? After application, allotment comes. Now we have to check this surplus amount can be adjusted in allotment or not. We have to check that one, whether it will be possible to adjust it 30,000. I am shifting 30,000 to the next person. Whether that person can handle that 30,000 or whether that sufficient amount is available in allotment or not to adjust this amount, we have to check. So what we are doing? What is the allotment value? 3 rupees. Allotted share is how much? Allotted share is 20,000 for the case A, 20,000. And what is the allotment value is 3 rupees. So how much the amount is available in allotment in case of A? In case of A, allotment amount is available 60,000, but there is a gap between in application is 30,000. So it is more than amount available in allotment. 60,000 is available to adjust 30,000. Obviously it can adjust. There is a fund of 60,000 to adjust a surplus amount of 30,000. So that can be transferred. Therefore we are transferring to the 30,000 to the allotment, as we cannot adjust this amount in the application, because application we have received is 1,50,000, but it can be converted into share, including premium and share capital is 1,20,000. So 30,000 is the surplus. That surplus is being transferred to where? But to where? To allotment. Now that amount can be adjusted in allotment or not, we have to check it. So how we will check? Allotted value into allotment value. Allotted value or issued value for the case A, as we are doing the case A. So 20,000 and allotment value is 3 rupees. So 60,000. So 30,000 can be automatically adjusted as there is a fund of 60,000 in the allotment. Therefore, we will directly transferring 30,000. So gap between share capital and the application money will be generally transferred to the allotment, because after application allotment comes. For the second case, same way, 25,000. So 25,000, what I have told, into 6, application value into value of the application, application share into value of the application. Application share is 25,000, value of application including face value and premium is 6 rupees, 1,50,000. What will be the value of for share capital? Allotted value is how much? 15,000 into what is the face value of the application excluding premium is 5. So 15,000 into 5, 75,000. So we have got 75,000. And what will be the premium? Premium value is 1 rupee. Allotted share is how much? For the case B is 15,000. And what is the premium value? Is 1. So 15,000 into 1, 15,000. Now, what is happening here? This is for the case A. Now, for the case B, see, case B, share capital is how much? Share capital is 75,000. Share capital is 75,000 plus premium is how much? Premium is 15,000. So how much we are getting? 90,000. But application receipt is how much? Application money is how much? But receipt is how much? 1,50,000. So we can convert into share of 90,000, but we have received an application money of 1,50,000. So there is a surplus of how much? There is a surplus of 60,000. There is a surplus of 60,000 for where I will transfer to allotment. Now let's wrap this thing. 60,000. So now allotment value is so here the surplus amount is 60,000. So where we will transfer it to allotment. So we have to check whether that allotment money is available in this case. How much the allotted value? Same case here for the A case we have multiplied with 20,000. Here we will be multiplying with whom? With 15,000. And what is the allotment value? 3 rupees. So 15,000 into 3, 45,000. So here 45,000. So here the allotment value is 45,000, but we are transferring how much? 60,000. So it is more than allotment value. Here my fund in the allotment is 45,000, but there is an excess in application money of or surplus is 60,000. So obviously it cannot adjust 60,000 because the fund available in the allotment. fund available in the allotment is how much? 45,000. But the excess amount in application is 60,000. So only 45,000 can be adjusted in allotment as that money is available in the allotment. So we are transferring 45,000 in the allotment. Now comes to this portion. Overs utilized beyond allotment. So here what is happening? Overutilization beyond allotment, there is a surplus of 60,000, but the fund is available 45,000. So it is going beyond allotment. Allotment money cannot be, even we utilize fully allotment money, it is going beyond the allotment money, because allotment money is 45,000, surplus money is 60,000, it is going beyond the allotment money. So overutilization beyond allotment money, the surplus amount will be rejected. So how much is the, here it is 60,000, how much is the value? 45,000. So these two are what I can say here, 60,000 is the value minus 45,000 is how much? 15,000. That will be rejected because I have a fund of 45,000 but surplus in application allotment 60,000. So obviously we can